know that we are unconsciously using economics in our daily lives?
Yes, when we're doing our daily tasks, we're unconsciously using the basic concepts of economics, such as scarcity, opportunity cost, supply and demand, and markets. Now come with me as we go further to discuss it. Economics is the study of how people, businesses, and societies make choices about how to use resources to meet their needs and wants. It's about understanding how the world works from individual decisions to global markets. Sa Bisaya ang economics ay ang pagpaigo sa limitado nga bahindi sa tao para mapalit ang nagdili mahurot nga panginahanglanon o gusto sa usa ka tawo. Now come with me as I show you how it really works. Let us start with scarcity. Scarcity refers to the fundamental problem that arises because people's needs and wants are unlimited, but the resources available to satisfy those needs and wants are limited. Maurugod na nga pakibginahanglan paliton apan ang kwarta na nasa imong kamot dili pa ego. This is a common problem among Filipino households where ang kasagaran sa itong mga kapamilya dili na lang mukaog sakto sa usa ka adlaw. Di ba, Gilbert?
Yes, Denver. Here is another perfect example of economics. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that is given up when making a choice. Another example would be choosing to buy a nutritious vegetable instead of a meat. In this case, the meat is your opportunity cost, since it is the meat that is given up when choosing to buy a vegetable.
Gulay! Gulay mo dira! Nay, gulay, nay! Talong, ngami talong, kalabasa, kamuday! Sino sa imo, sir?
Sila bagon eh, nagbilang talong.
Ay, talong, sir? 80 ra dyan ni, sir.
Ha? 80? Mahaloy!
Ha? Saman, papalit ka, dili.
Ah, sige na lang, wala may lain.
See? And this is how you do market. Market is defined as a place or platform where sellers and buyers interact to exchange goods, services, and ideas. It's a mechanism that enables the exchange of value of between parties. Parihaan, ipalit siya sa kung baligya nga talong, katumbas sa kantidad ng kwarta. Talong, bayad ng kwarta o ginansya.
Narang talong sis,
Tagpila man ni sis.
magsinta.
Ha? Mahala good.
Sa bagay, pag iwan ko itong naiging semana, basing gamay ang supply sa talong, that's the law of supply and demand.
Ha? Sa law of supply and demand sis.
Supply and demand directly impacts prices. When the demand is high and the supply is low, prices tend to rise. Conversely, when the demand is low and the supply is high, the price tend to low. Sa klaro nga pagkasulti, kung daghan nga tao magpalit sa produkto, o gamay lang ang supply, ang presyo ana ay gabigid ka mahal. O baliktadon nato, nga kanang daghanay ang supply, tas gamay lang ang mamalit, ang presyo pod ana, perti ka ubos.
Ah, ana day na.
Now you know.
Anong klaseng panaginip ba yun? Ba't economics? Naku, finals na pala ngayon sa microeconomics. Sige, bibilisan ko.
The silver glow when the moonlit rivers softly flow. The night ignites a thrilling hush as shadows dance in moonlight rush.
Sige, nag-study ka sa micro?